Oh, hi. Do you want to know the price for the villa you see behind me? It is 12 million Turkish liras, which is currently $1,354,000. And I'm here to enjoy this $1 million view for you. This particular project won the Best Villa Project Award of the Year in Büyükçekmece and consists of 472 villas and 2 separate stages, both grove and water. It has an area of 625,383 square meters and a green area of 157,282 square meters, where you will find peace in every corner. Isn't this a beautiful garden? Very refreshing if you ask me. I will talk about the details of this beautiful garden later, but now let's tour the interior of this 550 square meter villa. Look, your garage is right here. You can get through this door and right into your home. Okay. This is the most beautiful house I've seen in a while. As soon as you enter the building, this giant living room with a beautiful garden view welcomes you. This living room alone is a total of 48 square meters, very spacious. The villa's living room, controlled with a smart home system, is completely focused on comfort and landscape, that is, the garden. Everything is available, from this fireplace that will warm you up in the winter months, to the TV and TV unit hidden in the closet, to this nice dining room where you can have great breakfast with your family and prepare delicious meals in the evening. Speaking of the dining room, there's a kitchen right next to it. It's a total of 10 square meters and it has a great kitchen island in the middle of it. You can also have your breakfast here if you wish. Blending the nobility of black and gray with the warmth of wood, the kitchen is modest and stylish. There's an acrylic kitchen counter. Siemens, a famous and influential brand, was preferred for built-in appliances. Another beautiful aspect of the kitchen is the small terrace. This house has many advantages. For instance, these sliding doors. At any time, you can just shut them and separate the dining room from the kitchen. And thus, if you have any unexpected guests coming over, they won't see how messy you are. I mean, hypothetically speaking. Oh, and by the way, these doors have a brake system just to make sure that your walls won't be damaged. Look, there's a bonus room here too. It is actually referred to as a water storage, but its use is entirely up to your imagination. You can use it as a studio or as a study room. You can make a small painting studio out of it, or you can make it a small playground with a beautiful garden view, both here and there. That's it for the lower floor, which includes the guest washroom and cloakroom, which greets you as soon as you enter the house. The upper floor is at least as comfortable and useful as the lower floor. It's even more fantastic. Wide and comfortable stairs made of natural wood will carry you to this area. And to our right, we have a beautiful and modern children's room. Come with me. It is so beautifully decorated that I wish I was a child right now. Let's say your child is bored in his room. He can leave through this door and spend some time on this very safe upper terrace. And here we have a big teenager room with a garden view. This room opens to this beautiful view. And there's a balcony here where you can enjoy spending your time. One of the biggest advantages of this place are the neighbors. I mean, take a look around. In such a luxury complex, your neighbors will only be CEOs, factory owners, managers, or other very highly qualified people. I mean, I can imagine what my neighbors will look like. Resh! What happened?
Pull yourself together.
Oh yeah, sorry, I was dreaming for a moment. Okay, let's continue. Look, we passed from the same balcony to the master bedroom with the same view. As you saw, another bedroom with a great view. At the entrance, we have on both sides glassed wardrobes, and I think they just look amazing. Love the way it looks. And of course, we have an ensuite bathroom. Come over here. They used natural stone and marble here, and it gives it a very modern look. When you leave the room, there's a shared bathroom to the right. And what's hidden behind this door is the washer and dryer. And here is another room. Whether you use it as a study room or a room to host your guests, I think it's good enough for both. With the pandemic, projects with open and spacious areas, balconies, terraces, and gardens have become important again. That's why I think this project is so important. It isn't easy to find such a place in Istanbul. It is ideal for a family-oriented life. Moreover, it is highly secured. Every part of the site is under surveillance with color and night vision cameras. Plus, it is suitable for Turkish citizenship. You can start your day with the chirping of the birds, sit in your garden and have breakfast, lie on the grass, or enjoy your time in the swimming pool. According to the investment analysis, Büyükçekmece is among the most valuable regions of Istanbul. For example, according to the rent increase rate, this figure is 46.7% in Istanbul, but it is 64.4% in Büyükçekmece. The rate of increase in sales prices, though, is 72.4%, which is higher than that of Istanbul. If you decide to buy a villa in this project, you can consider the options from 3+1 to 5+1, 2-story or single-story. You can also customize the landscape you see according to your needs and expectations. If you want to build a pool, build a pool. If you want to use it as a garden, use it as a garden. The choice is yours. In fact, this project is on an area of 3,500 square meters. There's everything from indoor and outdoor swimming pools to gyms, playgrounds, walking areas, open-air cinemas, cafes and restaurants, basketball and tennis courts, saunas, and steam rooms. If you want to take a look at this wonderful villa that offers you a life in the center of the city, but still isolated, in the middle of nature, but also in the middle of life, then call us. Or you can also choose something from the grove stage or the water stage. I'm telling you, you will never lose money. On the contrary, you will double your money in just a few years.